A tree in which the fruit can be used to reduce coronary heart disease. What tree is this? Introducing Malugay Pomicea pinnata of the family Sapindaceae. The genus Pomicea commemorates Pierre Pomit, a French scientist and author of the book A Complete History of Drugs. The species name pinnata refers to the leaves that grow from its side of a stalk like a feather. Malugay is widespread in the Pacific and Southeast Asian regions. It is a tree of old growth and secondary forest at low and medium altitudes, often near creeks and waterways. It is very common in the hill forest of Palawan and Mindanao provinces. Malugay is a large, fast-growing evergreen tree and a close relative of lychee. The timber produced by this tree is hard and durable. Its wood is used for interior construction, both frames, masts, spars, tool handles, furniture, and cabinet work. The fruits are edible and comparable to lychee. A decoction of leaves and bark is used to bath patients with fever. The bark is used to cure festering sores. Seeds are edible when roasted and eaten like chestnuts. The inner bark contains red gum with medicinal qualities. There are several health benefits of malugay. The fruit can be used to reduce coronary heart disease. Extracts of seeds and leaves are also proven to help reduce high blood pressure. It also prevents the development of cancer and maintains skin health. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.